Hi, my name is John Moran with Greenlight Property Management, and today we are here at 9100 Rushing River Drive in Fort Worth, Texas. Zip code is 76118. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. It's approximately 1,736 square feet. Here, as you can see, is a layout of the front. Good sized driveway here leading up to a 2-car garage there, as you can see. Really nice yard here, good shade, and this is actually the river trails area, so really close to Hershey, Bedford, as well as Fort Worth, even though this has a Fort Worth address. So lots of nice homes in this area, and actually right across the street on the other side are like brand new homes. So up and coming area over here, great schools in HEB and that sort of thing. So let's go on inside and we'll check it out here. So as you can see, we have somewhat of a patio here. Nothing too crazy to, where you can come out and put a chair on, but you're covered when you enter the home. So it's very nice. Nice little flower bed here, so it's very welcoming. So let's go in and let's check it out. As you can see here, very beautiful wood floors. We got raised ceilings in here. So lots of good space in here. Walls go well with the floors as well. And as you can see there, we got a wood burning fireplace. So very nice. Or I should say gas burning fireplace, sorry. And let's turn us around here. As you can see here, we kind of have a little area where you can look into the other rooms. But here is what it looks like facing the front door. As you can see, that window brings in a lot of good light. Really shines on those floors. And the raised ceilings just make this living room so big. So let's turn it on around here. We have our kind of dining room area here. As you can see, really good space. Still have those wood floors and nice window there for good lighting. So very nice. And here is the kitchen. This is personally my favorite part about the house. It's just so beautiful. As you can see here, we got the granite countertops, and all the appliances are stainless steel. So as you can see over here, we got the stainless steel dishwasher there. We got a stainless steel sink that has a garbage disposal. Here is kind of the right side of the kitchen here facing. And then as you see here, we do have an island that is actually maneuverable. So there's wheels on it. If you want to, you can actually push this out of the way. But it's really unique that we have a kind of a portable island here. So very nice. Continuing on with the appliances, as you see here, lots of good cabinet space on this side of the kitchen. We have a stainless steel refrigerator here, stainless steel microwave with a vent, as well as a gas burning stainless steel oven range here, double decker as well. So very nice, lots of good cabinet space. You do have a little bench area here, which is very nice. And you can even have a smaller dining area over here. So really cool. You can do a lot with this kitchen. Here is the pantry. Very nice. Awesome. Let's go, we'll check out the backyard, that back door. We'll check it out at the very end of the video. Let's go ahead and walk down the hallway here. As you see, we have a storage closet. So very nice here, just your average closet there. And we'll check out this after we check out the bedroom, just a laundry room and into the garage. But as you can see here, here's bedroom number 1. Got the carpet in there. As you see, the ceilings are vaulted in here as well, so they're raised. Just very good space in here. Let me turn this on around. Very nice. All the rooms in this home are actually really good size, and you'll see the master is pretty much twice the size as the regular bedrooms, but the regular bedrooms are really big too. So as you see here, we got our closet space. Nothing too crazy, but a good closet space. Here we have our second bedroom. And as you can see, very similar to the first bedroom, size-wise. The only difference, and I'll show us here in a sec, let me turn this around, is the closet is actually a walk-in closet in this bedroom. The other bedroom has a smaller closet. So let's turn this around here. And as you can see, very, very big difference here. Really, really good closet space in here. And you can actually, here's me walking in here. So very good space in here. Lots of good closet space. Next, we're going to check out, this is the hall bathroom here. Very, very nice bathroom. As you can see, beautiful vanity there, long and lots of cabinet space. Got the mirror. As you see, there's tile in here, just very similar to the kitchen. We got a heater and a vent hood. And then as you can see here, we have our kind of one-piece tub shower. Very, very nice. Here we have the master. This is probably my second favorite part about the house, aside from the kitchen. You can just see, I mean, how big this room is. You have the tall windows that bring in light and the tall ceilings. So this room feels gigantic. It almost feels bigger than the living room. Get in the corner over here. As you can see, very, very spacious in this master bedroom. I mean, you really honestly have room for a small couch and the, you know, the mattress and bed and stuff like that. So really, really good space in here. Here is the closet for the master. As you can see, the ceilings are continuing here to be high. So we actually have a kind of a thing you see at retail stores where, like, if there's something really high on the rack, you have the ability to reach it. So good shoe space here. So very nice. And then here we have our master bathroom. As you can see, the ceilings continue to be high. Lots of good space. We have the two sinks instead of one. Same countertop. Very, very spacious in here. Got the tile floors. And as you see, we have our stand-in shower. A little bit more cabinet space here. We kind of have a hamper down here. And then a beautiful big tub here. Lots of good light. These windows are, they have the stuff on them where you can't see in or out. So they're privacy windows, bringing great light. As you see the tile around the tub here, and just a really good sized tub. There isn't any jets. It's just a regular bathtub, but very, very nice. And then here we have our toilet. So we got a vent hood and everything. All right, let's go check out the laundry room and the garage, and then we'll head out into the backyard. So here, washer and dryer are provided. As you can see here, both of them are Maytags. Both of them aren't too old either, so very, very nice. Lots of good cabinet space in here, as you see. Very nice. And then we have the inside of the garage here, as you can see. Very good space. Just really, really a lot of space. There's not really storage anywhere. We do have attic access. But as far as, you know, being able to fit 2 cars in here comfortably, you can definitely do that. So one thing to mention, you see over here, this property does have a sprinkler system. So you have the ability to really keep the yard nice and green throughout the entire season. So very, very nice. All right, let's go check out the backyard. So this is another part of the house that I really like. Lots of good space out here. You see there's a good amount of privacy. It's fenced in, good amount of privacy. You also have a storage shed. And so really just lots of good space. And as you see here, we have a small patio slab, you know, perfect for grilling and that sort of thing. It's not covered. But you do have a patio slab here. As you see here now, it is coming into the winter months, so you'll see some of the trees are bare. But I'm sure when they're full with leaves, as you see here, they're bare and we got plenty of shade. So, you know, once the summer comes around and the trees are full, I'm sure there'll be plenty of shade back here. Let's turn us here to the left. As you can see, we kind of have a gated fenced in area here. So you have the ability, if you have like a dog or something and you want to bring people over, you have the ability to kind of put them in here and still let them have space to run around and do their thing in. So just something unique to this property. And then we'll walk on over here. Want to note, y'all, that there is stuff in here, but we're working with the owners on getting it removed. So as you can see here, very good storage space in here. Just kind of a generic shed, but really awesome. Helps keep your lawn equipment, you know, from getting wet. Really helping the lifetime of your power tools and that sort of thing. So very, very nice. And the outside of the shed is actually in great condition. So again, this is John with Greenlight Property Management. We're here at 9100 Rushing River Drive in Fort Worth, Texas. 76118. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Hope you enjoyed the video and hope you have a great day. Thank you.